2025, we leave the old baggage in the past. We're no longer gonna blame our circumstances, our situations for the reason why we're where we are in life. And we're gonna make 2026 the best year of our lives. This is far more than a New Year's resolution. This is an internal feeling, a commitment that we're making to ourselves, that we refuse to play a role in them old dynamics, them old patterns, them old thought systems, programs that we've ran for so long. We know that 2026 is going to be far more than a New Year's resolution. It's going to be a commitment every single day to show up and be and step into the best version that we could possibly be. And for you watching this video, I know you're feeling it. I know you're feeling that you're just done living that mundane, stagnant, toxic life that you've been living for so long. But 2026 is the year that we can honestly look back and say that I'm proud of myself, that I stuck to it. We don't need to tell anyone our resolutions. The only agreement that we have right here is between us and ourselves. See, a real commitment isn't something that we need to go and tell anyone. We don't need to tell people what we're going to do. We don't need to get their approval or opinions on what they think. We just act and we do it. And although it might be hard, it might be treacherous, it might be difficult, we may fail multiple times over, we're going to keep showing up every single day, knowing that we're going in the right direction. So if we have to, at the end of 2025, finally let go of everything that's holding us back, the friends, the parties, the drinking, whatever it might be, you know what's holding you back. Say goodbye to it. Say goodbye to it for 6 months, 7 months, and then see how you feel. See, this year isn't about anyone else. It's purely about you. And the decision that you have to make is, are you going to stay stuck? Are you going to get to the end of another year and be still in the same position that you've been in for what has been forever already? Or next year, are you going to look back and be proud that you were committed to yourself? You started living true to your own word and stop living somebody else's path, somebody else's dream. And ultimately, that's what I want people to ingrain into them. That for the ones that know there's more, there's so much more that you can be doing with your life. But while being in the roles that you've played for so many years, it's nobody's fault. It's nobody's fault why you are where you are. And placing blame on other people or the reason why you're still in the same circumstances, when ultimately you know yourself you've not been showing up to the best that you can be. So hopefully, if this video resonates with you, I can't motivate you. You can only motivate yourself. But if I could give somebody a bit of guidance or a bit of a reminder that you're more than capable of having everything you desired in this world. But the only way that can happen is when you finally say goodbye to all the things that never served you in the first place. If you have to stay in and stop going out drinking, feeling like you need to be at every party or every event, to focus on your goals, then just tell people no. You don't owe anybody an explanation for what you're doing. You don't have to prove anything. You don't have to be anywhere. This is purely about you. And when you can show up as the best version of yourself, knowing that you've been committed, knowing that every single day you've tried to make yourself a better person, and be a better person, and then the ones that have tried to pull you away from your goals, they're either going to level up and come with you, or they're going to get left behind. So the choice is ultimately yours. For me, I've been through it. I've been through the addictions, I've been through drugs, I've been through the people-pleasing bullshit for too many years, and playing the same cycles over and over again, and wondering why my life hasn't gone any further forward. And stop blaming everyone else for the reason why you are where you are. You are accountable for your life. Your unhappiness or your happiness is all to do with yourself. There's no one else that can make you feel better. People that are not treating you right. If you're putting up with their bullshit and you're carrying on to continue falling into the same patterns, then it's only you to blame. You can only find fulfillment from within. There's nothing outside of you that is going to change that or make your life feel any more valuable or give you the love that you crave so much, or whatever it might be. It has to come from within. So if this video has resonated with you today, I really would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you have took the time to watch this video to the end, I appreciate you. And I hope that this year you leave it in the past. You leave all the shit in the past, and you really embrace next year as a new start. If this video has resonated with you and you would like to reach out or connect with me, I'm building some fantastic products and opportunities that have all been tailored from my own life journey, from my own story. And after a year, I'm finally feeling proud that I didn't give up. I didn't give up on them. And I'm happy that I can share them with like-minded souls. Help people grasp this reality for what it really is, and take control of their own lives. So again, thank you for your time today, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.